And today at Jordan Motorsports in Portland, Oregon, jordanmotorsports.com, we bring you another needle in the haystack and a great survivor. A 1997 Ford F250 heavy duty XLT 4-wheel drive big block 460 with a 7.5 liter and 35,000 actual miles. Local Oregon truck since new, clean title and Carfax certified. This truck is 100% rust and corrosion free, 100% accident free. Clean title, 2 owners since new. The first owner purchased it in 1997 and owned it until 2004. The second owner purchased it from the Ford dealership right down the street from us and has owned it since 2004 until our acquisition. This truck shows as new, garage kept, in excellent condition. There's no clear coat fading or peeling whatsoever. Beautiful, beautiful, hard to find color. Excellent condition, chrome, bumpers, grille, headlights, and an undercarriage to die for. This is a loaded F250. I believe these are the LUND running boards, paint matched to the truck. You got the factory towing mirrors upgraded, and it is the 4-wheel drive off-road package, factory ALCOA'S, freshly polished, in excellent condition with no corrosion whatsoever, and a brand new set of 33-inch 285s Bfg Ko3s in the 10-ply. This truck has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed whatsoever. This truck has never hauled a bunch of rock or anything like that. The bed is in new condition. There is 0 cracks, 0 splitting, 0 issues, no holes whatsoever. Got a couple little dings I see right there. That is about it. This truck is 30 years old. This is not a bed. That is an average thing for a 30-year-old heavy-duty truck. Even the original seals are still intact. Take a look at these jams right here. I mean, literally, this is a great survivor. This is bed rails that are 30 years old, and as you can see, they are as straight as an arrow on both sides. If you have been holding off and you are looking for the cream of the crop, there it is. You found it. Also comes with an aluminum Protech headache rack, excellent condition bumpers, like I said, and tow package with the ALCOA'S and all the chrome trim. That's all in excellent condition, and the door trim, the side belt moldings. When I say the undercarriage is 100% rust free, it is. And take a look at the original 30-year-old muffler. I think this just says the whole story. But take a look at this undercarriage. It does not get any nicer or cleaner than this. This is a truck that has not been driven off-road, has not been driven in mud or snow at all. This is what collectors look for. This is the real deal. If you've had one of these new, or grew up in one of these, or your grandpa had one, or father, and you want as close to new OBS, this is your chance. What I'm trying to show you here, look at the bolts. Does not get any realer or any better than this. No oil leaks, no seepages, no stories. And it's not just the exterior of the truck. The interior is just as nice. This thing still has the new smell. All the upholstery, 100% all original. It appears to be a non-smoker. No pets inside. There's no dog hair or any of that stuff. Take a look at the dash. You never find these dashes in this condition, or the panels. Headliner is literally like new. It shows no signs of any sagging, any rips, any tears, any issues whatsoever. Same goes for all the plastic on the interior. Oh, almost dropped the phone. Okay, we are good. Back seats is like new. Only thing I can see is maybe possibly there's a cap here that comes off, which is a very common thing with these trucks. And you know what? Complete performance. I think they carry them, and they are pretty cheap, like 20 bucks or something. So you gotta order it, you'll get it if you really want to make this thing just perfect. There's all the seat belts, and obviously this goes down. I gotta release it from the other side, but then you get the full thing. Even the cup holders are in excellent condition. Nothing is broken. Take a look at the inside panels. This is 30-year-old OBS. I think from the research that I've done today, this is the lowest mileage Survivor on the market. 35,000 actual miles, and a big block 97 heavy duty package with the ALCOA'S. Just beautiful. Now, this truck did not need much, but we just ran it through the service department and did a full service on it. Included, let me pop it, a fresh oil change, a filter. We did a coolant flush, brake fluid flush, AC service, and a fresh charge. An all new driving belt. So your serpentine belt, air conditioning belt, etc. are literally brand spanking new. We also topped off all the fluids, etc. Take a look at the firewall and everything under the hood. Take a look at these clamps. It's literally like new. Previous owner just changed the battery 8 months ago, 7 months ago, I think. Yeah, about 6-7 months ago. So you got a new battery. It is serviced and protected as well. I don't think any of these bolts have ever been torqued on or removed all the way through. This is a great Survivor for someone that wants a daily driver, somebody that wants a weekender, somebody that wants to add it to the collection, somebody that wants to give it to his kid or himself. Doesn't get much nicer than this. Also, previous owner just upgraded the hubs to manual locking Warn hubs. And man, love these things. Lock, unlock. Love the 2 spins instead of the half circle. We'll get this thing started up. Never have to worry about frozen hubs, but take a look at these wheels. When I say perfect condition, ALCOA'S doesn't get better than that. I drove this truck 70 miles an hour down the freeway with the vent windows open on both sides, and man, that feeling, I don't know, nothing replaces it or is better. This is the original upholstery of a 30-year-old truck. Excellent condition, like new. This is 6-passenger seating. Yeah, there's the roof right here. Paint on it is also like new. All the trim around the window is the windshield is in excellent condition. The windshield shows no cracks, no rock chips. There is a minor little ding right here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's a little ding and another ding right here on the roof. Very hard to see. Driver's door panel. This is unbelievable. Truck comes with 2 original keys. Let's get it started. And you got trailer brakes right here. Oh, I keep thinking I'm in a diesel, so we don't even have to wait for the glow plugs.
IntegrityAir.com.
Original stereo.
IntegrityAir.com. CCB 203869.
And it's a CD player. Everything works. Manual 4-wheel drive actuator. But I cannot believe the undercarriage of this truck. It's literally like new. Let's turn the lights on and show you all the details. I hope you can see the dash lights when I turn it on. Yeah, you can. Perfect. 35,268 miles. dual tanks, and both tanks work. Front tank, we got a little over half a tank. Let's switch to the rear tank. I know it's almost empty. So obviously we see both floaters work. Let's go back to the front tank. I'm gonna turn the hazards on so when we check our lights, both of them are on there. Overdrive, on, off, button is there. But I wanna do this AC thing first because this thing is freezing. With the fresh AC service and charge, this thing's gonna be in the 20s. I can get it like just insanely cold. Wow, look at that. Yes, that is Fahrenheit. When I say insanely cold, this thing is freezing that it's hurting to breathe in here. It's hitting my face. This is the coldest AC I've ever seen in my life. And let's make sure the heater works, you know? Why not? There, let's put it on the vent. Dash pad is literally like new. Rear view mirror. And the headliner. Only cosmetic flaw I found on the inside. There's a little plastic right here broken. That is about it. Take a look at the steering wheel. And I don't need to get the heat really hot. You can already feel it. That is hot. And let's see how healthy that compressor is if we just switch so quickly to the AC. As you can see, it's already dropping, but we already know it works. I don't want to deal with that. Non-smoker, extra outlet, even the lid is still here. Look at that, factory papers and tags on the stuff. So let's close that. Steering wheel super nice and tight. There's no play in it. There's your horn. There's your wipers, got new wipers on it as well. Let's go to second speed. And let's go to the third speed. Literally, I mean, if you want like new, as close to perfect Survivor, it's not gonna get much better than this. Cruise control, power windows, locks. Let's do this. Look how fast the windows go up, go down. All the tracks have been cleaned, lubricated. You don't see 30-year-old trucks with windows rolling up and down that fast. Here's, let's see the door lock. And I showed you the back seat here, but let's show you the power seat before I forget. Here's the back going up, back going down. There's the front going down. There's the front going up. There's forward and backwards. And I see a little ding right here. It's like glue or something. All the rubber is intact. There's no rips, there's no tears. Plastic, the door cells, etc. I turned the lights on. We tested the horn. Let's check out the lights. Every single bulb has been checked out on the truck. Headlights, turn signals. Oh, let me pop the hood. Did I pop it already? Oh, we already checked the hood. And I'm all over the place today. I got new license plate bulbs for the license plate LEDs going in. Took out the old ones. And there's your tail lights and turn signals. And look at this bed. It's just literally unbelievable. So I'm gonna go really quick around the paint to show you how nice it is and talk about little stuff. So I can qualify this F250, this local Oregon since new F250, 2 owners with 35,000 actual miles at Jordan Motorsport. I can qualify it for new car financing. What does that mean? That means that I can finance this truck up to 84 months as if you were buying a model 2024. So yes, 84 months and as low as 6.99 on the interest rate. These trucks do not get financed. They do not qualify for financing. These trucks are, this is almost 30 years old. This is classic. You would need classic financing. And that gets pretty hard on heavy duty trucks. This is not a Corvette or an Impala or any of that stuff. But some banks will do them. But they will also charge you a premium on the interest rate, and the terms are a lot shorter. So being able to finance it, and they limit you on the miles you can drive when it's classic car financing. It's supposed to be more for show, park in the garage. So me having the ability to finance it as if it's a new car up to 84 months and as low as 6.99 on the interest rate, that is insanely amazing. You can also pay cash. This is just my fingerprint. And there's a little ding right here, but that's my fingerprint right there. You can pay cash. That makes it easier for everybody if that's something that you choose to. And there's a little foolah right here. I can also help you ship this truck right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in America or whether you live in Canada, whether you live in Alaska, Hawaii, any of the islands, whether you're in New York or Rhode Island or Michigan, whether you're in South Carolina or North Dakota, Tennessee, Missouri, Mississippi, whether you're in Texas or Colorado or Utah, whether you're in Arizona or New Mexico or California or Washington, anywhere in the United States, I can help you ship it. I deal with shippers on the daily basis. I know how they work, I know how to vet them, I know how to make sure they're insured and bonded. I verify and vet everything. I only work with A+ rated shippers. You don't have to deal with the brokers and the brokers crap and etc. I make sure when your truck leaves here, it is going on that truck and it's coming to you on the same truck. We're not switching it between trucks and having it sit at different lots. This truck has survived for 30 years and I want to get it to you in the same condition. This is a 35,000 actual mile, big block, heavy duty, OBS F250. This is the real deal, 100% rust-free, corrosion-free. This is a great survivor. They don't make them like this anymore. And you won't find it like this that much. So hurry and be the lucky owner of this survivor. We are Jordan Motorsports and we specialize in these unique pre-emission, low mileage diesel trucks that are 100% rust-free, and we do some gassers when they are in this condition. Visit the website at jordanmotorsports.com. I have 95 detailed photos and a full description. Subscribe to the channel so you can get alerts every time we add something to inventory. We sell a lot of trucks before they even make it to the website. I have sold 4 trucks this week that did not make it to the website. Let's make it yours.